म कहिलेकाहीँ आफ्नो इन्स्टाग्राममा आफ्नो पिक्चरहरु हालेर कहिलेकाहीँ आफ्नो म्युजिकहरु हालेर एफेक्ट्सहरु हालेर पोस्ट गरेर हुन्छ अनि मेरो भाइहरुले एकजना बहिनीहरुले मलाई मेसेज पठाएर हुन्छ that how to make a video like that, how to make an Instagram story like that भनेर. And today I'm going to guide you through the process. I'm using this application called Groovo. I'm using an iPhone. Let's get into the Groovo application. From here, you just do plus. I'm going to start from a track. Let's find a track. So we don't get any copyright. Let's start with after track. Why not? By the way, my songs are available on Spotify, iTunes, everywhere, all streaming platforms. So check out my songs while you're driving or while you're just sitting back. Okay, Girish Khatiwada Apple Music my video. Alright, let's do be what you wanna be. Why not? Might as well. अब photo choose गर्नुपर्छ. अब यहाँ तपाईले trim गर्न मिल्छ. I think on Instagram stories the time limit of your video is only 15 seconds. त्योभन्दा बढी बनाउनु भयो भनेदेखि तपाईलाई दुईटा Instagram stories मा split हुन्छ. Why do that? So let's try to cut this, trim it to 15 seconds भन्दा कम. I got 14 seconds of audio. So I got a photo with audio. You can put effects on the video. Like you can choose glitch effect, choose the lime tree effect. You can also choose the vape effect. You can also choose the daydream effect. Let's do daydream. I like this effect. यसको intensity पनि बढाउन सकिन्छ. You want higher effects or lower effects? Yeah, this is good enough. Or you can just do static effects like portrait गर्ने हो कि. This is more like Instagram filters गरे जस्तो, which you can do on Instagram stories also. I wouldn't do that. I would do more dynamic. So अलिकति, you know, अलिकति more drama दियोस् भनेर. You can write text also. What's up, y'all? लेख्दिनु त हैन, might as well. Red color. Alright, so text पनि हाल्न मिल्यो, effects पनि हाल्न मिल्यो. You can do this with a video file. From here, you can post directly to Instagram or you can post directly to Facebook. What I'm gonna do is save it to camera roll, and from there manually my Instagram post गर्छु. It's creating my groove on. It's creating my video clip right now. I'm using an iPhone 8 Plus. तपाईले iPhone X चलाउनु भयो भने it might be faster. If you use an older version, it might be slower. 15 second clip लाई, it took less than 15 seconds, I guess. From here you can download, and it's gonna say your groove has been downloaded to your camera roll. From here, let's go to the camera roll and see if it has been saved or not. Yes, it's there. 14 seconds audio clip. If I play it, it's right there with the audio, with the text, and with the effects. So from here I can just go to my Instagram, go my story, this video, and then just post it. There you go. I just posted this picture. Gorkhali Bros t-shirts available on Teesprings. Nepal bhanda bahira basnu bhayeko sathihharuko लागि र नेपाल भित्र भएको साथीहरुको लागि it's available at Seto Canvas. Links in the description. र यो भिडियो बनाउनलाई हेल्प गर्नु भएकोमा Nostra Pro app लाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद. Shout out to our sponsor Nostra Pro app. Let's go.
Sponsored by Nostra Pro gaming app, which is powered by Paytm. So Nostra Pro ma chahi you have to answer some simple questions like which team is gonna win, which team is gonna lose, or how much score a team will make. Right answer deko bapatma you get paid with real cash. And that cash can be withdrawn to your Paytm account instantly within 3 hours. It has all kind of sports that you can predict like cricket, football, F1 race, basketball, tennis, kabaddi, badminton. So what are you waiting for? Download Nostra Pro app and start earning some real cash.
Hello, I like money.
Alright, Nostra Pro app, thank you so much for sponsoring this video, and thank you Gorkhali Bros for watching this. See you in the next episode. Peace.
आँखा खोलेर हेर यता पुकारिरहेछौ तिमीलाई भोले बम बम ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश्वर स्वामी तिमी एउटै हो रे भोले बम बम